Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we will see how we can create a Flask API which can give us output in a JSON format. You can see it's key value pair format, and this API can be listened from any front end or maybe even back end. Anything you are using for the development like Angular, React, mainly JavaScript, any library, right? Using the fetch API or maybe any mobile application. Yeah, so this format is you can say platform free format and can be listened in any environment. uh, let's talk about this explainer session first. If you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to me directly on WhatsApp or maybe this mail to discuss about the project you are working on. Okay, let's start with the coding process. Okay, small you can say code we have written, just 16 lines. What we are importing is Flask, then JSONify to return a JSON format, which is to be exact called the REST API, right? And what it's doing, whenever user will hit a URL with the slash predict, and the URL has to be exact this one, right? You can define the port in the debug section, but by default it will take 5000 port. And whenever we follow this link with the predict URL, so like this with the predict, right, we will get this uh, JSON return in the API, right? And basically we are using two variables to display, name and WhatsApp. By the way, it's my real WhatsApp number. Okay, and then we are returning the JSONify format with this key value pair, a dictionary, right? So name and the WhatsApp is two uh, keys, and their values are being defined by a variable. And we are using CORS module from the Flask CORS. So you have to write pip install Flask CORS if you are using this, right? And it will just uh, generate this API in the REST format, so that you don't worry about the formats or different platforms or restrictions being imposed on the using API, right? So it will cover all of those, and you can just return anything here. So these variables, you can just do anything with them, right? You can get the data from the front end here, do something with that data, maybe use a machine learning model here, right? And then return something in the response. And I think I have a video where I will be explaining uh, how you can use a machine learning model in the Flask API, right? So that's how. Let me just show you how we can run this. So this is app.py file. By the way, you can just get the source code from the description, and if you run this file, you will get this URL. You follow this URL, you will get an error function, because this URL is not returning anything. What you have to do is write predict here, then you will get your response in the JSON format. I hope you like the video, and this is really simple, but there are many confusions about how to use the REST API in the Flask and like that. So if you are stuck somewhere, you can just contact me or reach out to me on this WhatsApp or mail. I hope you like the video, and I will meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.